It's raining almonds, and the sky above the orchard captures every moment in perfect rhythm. A powerful mechanical tree shaker clamps onto the sturdy trunk and vibrates it with just the right amount of force. In seconds, the branches release their hold, and thousands of almonds come tumbling down. From above, it looks like golden confetti falling in waves over the orchard floor. This is where the almond harvest begins. From tree shaking to drying in the field, to the final clean collection, we follow every machine, every motion, and every moment in the cycle. Almonds are more than just a crop. They are one of the most consumed and celebrated nuts in the world. Packed with plant-based protein, vitamin E, healthy fats, and antioxidants, they support heart health, skin vitality, and overall well-being. From almond butter to almond milk, they are a staple in healthy diets around the world. Once the almonds are grouped together, another unit comes in to pick them up and unload them into trailers pulled by tractors. Those trailers then transfer the almonds to larger field trucks, which transport them to an open area nearby. Here the load is poured onto a conveyor belt, which feeds into another tractor designed for the drying phase. After the almonds fall to the ground, tractors with sweeping attachments pass through the rows and guide the almonds into long, straight windrows. These machines push and gather the almonds gently while letting the dust settle behind them. Once drying is complete, another machine takes over. This collection tractor moves over the dried rows with a powerful intake system. As it lifts the almonds off the soil, it uses built-in blowers to separate the edible crop from any remaining dust, twigs, and leaves. The cleaned almonds are conveyed into large trailers ready for processing. Behind each bag of almonds is this quiet choreography of machines working in harmony with the land, shaking trees, gathering nuts, drying naturally under the sun, and finishing with a clean and efficient collection. This is farming at its most advanced and elegant.